Today I'm going to have my son show you how to install a cabin air filter on a 2019 Honda Pilot. We got this cabin filter from Amazon, part number CP134, brand I think is EP Auto. I'll leave the product link down below. And this little guy is going to show you how to install it. First, what you want to do is open the glove box.
Glove compartment.
Okay, the glove compartment. Next, you're gonna push the two sides together. You got it? You want? All right. You need some help? I'm gonna push this side. You push the other. All right. Then we drop it.
It's a little dirty in there.
It is a little dirty, and that's the cabin air filter.
Glove compartment.
All right. Next, you wanna push two tabs in simultaneously.
Watch me. I flick.
This tab right here, and that tab right there. All right. That one right there. All right, go ahead.
Oh, they're already open. You forgot. Got it.
All right, now we want to change that dirty air filter.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Is it dirty?
Yeah, very, very dirty. You should have washed this.
I should have, huh? All right, next you want to remove the dirty air filter. Go ahead and push it up.
It's sticky.
There we go.
Push it. All right, I can get this.
You got it? All right.
Just go to the other side. Other side. Let's pump this out. All right, this side. I think it's better to do like this.
Got it?
Yep. There. It's a little dirty.
All right, and then we toss it out the window. We don't need it. Throw it.
Yeah. How about you?
Oh, great. We'll vacuum that.
Oh my god. That's a little dirty.
All right, next we're going to want to put the new filter in. You want to take note. Airflow is going down, so you want to make sure your air filter has that same airflow. There we go. Airflow going down. All right, go ahead. Put it in.
You see? Yep. Airflow going down. All right. Make sure it's tight. In. Tight in. I'm going to watch Junior's garage again. Okay.
All right, is it all in?
Almost. Yeah.
All right, and then go ahead and insert the cabin filter back into place. Oh, you want to turn it around?
Oh, that's wrong way. I forgot. Okay. Oh my god. That's so hard to squeeze. Alright, there. I got it. Alright.
Push it until you hear a click.
Yep.
You got it in?
Yep.
All right, that's all you need to do. So what do we do next?
We put this back in. Make sure squeeze this back in.
Okay. You need some help?
Yeah.
All right, I'll push this in.
Alright. Now.
Go ahead and push yours in.
Yep. And that's how you do it.
And that's how you change the cabin filter.
I already said that.
Oh. If you found this video helpful in any way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be doing lots more videos.
Bye bye, y'all.